Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will dive into the comparison between Power BI and Tableau, examining what they share in common, where they differ, and the advantages and disadvantages of each of these tools. By the end, you will be better equipped to decide which one suits your requirement best. Let's jump to the video after this short intro. Making good decisions always involves finding the right mix of being quick to act and making sure you have done your homework. In the business world, being able to share information rapidly is crucial. That's where the data visualization comes in. Instead of drowning in a sea of numbers and text, a simple chart or graphic can tell you the whole story in a snap. Tools like Tableau and Microsoft Power BI makes it easy to create these visuals, helping businesses make sense of this data faster and more efficiently. Okay, so let's talk about the similarities between these two. Power BI and Tableau are the first and second most popular business intelligence tools available on the market. Both Tableau and Power BI offers multiple options for presenting your data in various formats. You can choose from a range of visualization such as bar and line chart, tree maps, and geographical maps. Both platforms allows interaction with these visualization, enabling actions like hovering over them for additional details and applying filters. Additionally, you can blend different visualizations to craft interactive dashboards. Visualizing the data is crucial, but having access to diverse data source is equally important, especially considering the multiple channels from which business gather their data. When examining Tableau and Power BI, I find that both can link to an extensive array of sources, e.g. Microsoft Excel, CSV, JSON, and with paid versions of the both platforms, you gain access to hundreds of additional data connectors like Google, SharePoint, Amazon Redshift, Salesforce, etc. Now let's talk about the differences between Power BI and Tableau. Currently, Power BI desktop only supports on Windows system and it is not available for direct installation on Mac. Since Power BI originates from Microsoft, it seamlessly integrates with Office software, making it a convenient choice for those already using Microsoft tools. Similarly, with Tableau, recently acquisition by Salesforce, its native integration offers a compelling option for Salesforce users. Both platforms have the capability to connect with tools like Excel, Salesforce, and etc. So the decision primarily hinges on which would operate more seamlessly within your existing setup. When it comes to the user interface and user experience, there are minimum distinctions between these two platforms. It mostly boils down to the personal preferences. Both Power BI and Tableau are crafted to be intuitive and user-friendly, allowing users to delve into their data in the manner they feel natural. You will find that either platform can be easily navigated and adopted with comparable level of simplicity. Now let's talk about the pricing differences. Power BI Desktop have a free version. This offers individual access to Power BI on your personal desktop. It's suitable for home user but may not meet the need of a business. Then the next paid version is the Power BI Pro version, which is $10 per user per month. This subscription provides a single license for self-service analytics, allowing you to visualize data with live dashboards and reports and share insights across your organization. This service includes for free with Microsoft 365 E5 license or available as a standalone purchase. The next license in the Power BI is Power BI Premium license, which is $20 per user per month. This subscription offers advanced big data analytics tool and simplified data management. We also have a Power BI Premium Capacity license, which is around $5,000 per capacity per month. This option is ideal for an entire organization requiring broad scale access for Power BI features and capabilities. When we're talking about the Tableau licenses, there is a Tableau Public, which is a free version. It's ideal for at-home users This version allows you to create visualizations connected to Excel, CSV, and JSON files. However, all visualizations created using Tableau Public are publicly viewable through the Tableau Public website. The next paid version of Tableau is a Tableau Creator, which is $75 per user per month. This is tailored for individuals and team members. This subscription provides access to Tableau Desktop, Tableau Prep Builder, and Creator license for either Tableau Server or Tableau Cloud. It equips you with comprehensive visualization and analytics tools. Next, we have Tableau Explorer, which is $40 per month per user. This option enables data exploration through self-service analytics and include one Tableau Cloud Explorer license. And then we also have a Tableau Viewer license, which is $15 per user per month. This is designated for users who primarily need to view existing Tableau dashboards and visualization. This subscription includes one Tableau Cloud Viewer license. Now let's talk about pros and cons of Power BI. So cost effectiveness. Power BI offers a cost-effective solution particularly suitable for small to medium-sized organizations. You can see its license is much cheaper than the Tableau licenses. User-friendly interface. Power BI is renowned for its intuitive interface, catering well to beginners and users with non-technical backgrounds. And then we have data warehouse capabilities. Power BI stand out in data preparation and business intelligence functionality, providing strong capabilities for data warehousing. It seamlessly integrates with various Microsoft tools such as Excel, Zio, SQL, and SharePoint, and is highly compatible for organizations leveraging Microsoft products. Now, in terms of the considerations, Power BI is designed primarily for Windows. Performance challenges with large data set. Power BI may encounter performance issues when handling extremely large data set, affecting its efficiency in such scenarios. Now, let's explore the pros and cons of Tableau tool. Enhanced visualization and analytics. Tableau provides extensive flexibility and advanced tools for data visualization and analytics. Improved performance with large dataset. Tableau demonstrates superior performance compared to Power BI when handling very large datasets. And Tableau supports multiple platforms including both Windows and Mac operating system. It offers a broader accessibility. In terms of the cons, costly license. Tableau licenses can be expensive, especially for large organizations or those requiring multiple user access levels. This cost factors may limit adoption or scalability for budget-conscious businesses. Limited data preparation capabilities. Tableau's data preparation features are not as robust compared to specialized tools like Ultrix or Power BI. Users may find themselves needing additional tools for comprehensive data cleansing and modeling. Limited integration with Microsoft products. So although Tableau can connect to diverse data sources, its integration with Microsoft product is not as seamless as that of Power BI. Now the question comes to your mind is how we can decide which one is better. So deciding between Tableau and Power BI ultimately depends on your specific requirements and business needs. Both tools offers valuable features and capabilities, making them useful in different scenarios. Some users might benefit from learning and utilizing both platforms. However, if you are looking to choose between Power BI and Tableau for data visualization, consider factors such as cost, accessibility, and integration with your existing systems. Each tool has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the decision should be based on what aligns best with your organization goals and resources. If you need assistance or consultation in either of these technologies, feel free to contact us. We provide consultancy service for both Tableau and Power BI to help you make the most informed decision based on your unique circumstances and objectives. Thank you very much for watching this video. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel by pressing the red subscribe button below this video and press the bell icon to get notifications. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section below. I review the comment on daily basis. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.